Hello, Michael from MTech here. I'm going to show you a few things about Book Creator that you can use to make a demonstration of learning. Once you've set up your account and you get into making your creations, there's a few things that you can do. So I want to highlight some things here. So this plus button is where you're going to be adding any of the items. So if you click this, you can see there's media and there's shapes. If you want to get into some callouts and some shapes, that's great. And then the media, this is the important part for demonstration of learning because there's a lot of things that you can do with this. The first thing I'm going to highlight here is this import button. If you click this, you can see that there's a few things that come up. Now for demonstration of learning, you might not use the first two so much. Images, if you do have some images that you want to share that are on the internet, then this one will work. Maps, if you're using something in social that maybe you want to add a Google map, that would be okay too. This one is probably one that you would use. These are files that are saved on your computer that you can you want to access and put on. This is a Google Drive, so anything in your Google Drive you have to assign and connect your Google Drive to it. And then the last one here is embedding into anything that you want to link out to. You can put a URL code right here and it'll link out to anything that you want. So that is the import. The next one is the camera. I don't know how this will work with me recording right now. Yeah, I thought so. There might be an error there, but with the camera, you can either take a picture or record a video right in Book Recorder. It's a fantastic one. Next one is a pen. So this is kind of an inking tool that you can have right in Book Creator. If you want to draw something, you can change the thickness of your pen or what kind of pen or the color of your pen. All of that is within here. Up here, changing the bucket or erasing and changing the color of the pen. This one is you can add emojis in there too, anything like that. It's a great tool for demonstration. I'll just draw a little thing right here and I'll show you. I can erase it like that. So that is a great tool also of the inking tool. When you're finished, you just click done and it goes away. The next one is adding text. Pretty straightforward. You just click this, you can add your text. One thing I will show you though, if you want to manipulate your text, a lot of it isn't done here. You can bold or italic or underline or link it out, but a lot of that happens once you have this here. You click this one, this I, which is going to change a lot of the other things that you want, like your font size, your font color, your the font, even a background, lots of things. You can add shadows to it. There's lots of stuff. So this is, I think it's called the inspector. Yes, the inspector button here will change all of that for you after you have already written your text. I'm just going to delete this one so we can move on with the next one is recording an audio. So it's the same thing. I don't know if it'll work right now because I'm using my microphone, but yeah, it's right here. All I would do is say start recording. Let's see if it'll do it. It'd count me down here and I'm just gonna say hello, testing 1 2 3, and then you stop recording. You can listen to it back, and if you want it, you say use recording and it'll drop it right in there for you. Anything you can say. So it's a great one for students if you want them to just explain the activity or the whatever it is that they're showing for demonstration of learning. If you want them to explain it on an audio or video, that is both possible within Book Creator. So just to show you a few things here of what I did, could be a language arts I embedded or I inserted a Google Doc here. I did do a little bit of an audio. I inserted a picture and I told a little bit about what this activity is. For language arts and math, I embedded a Google Drawing. I used the inking tool over here, inserted some pictures here, and I had to explain my assignment. The next one is social studies. I inserted a picture of myself and even a video explaining my activity, and I did embed a PowerPoint presentation or a slides presentation. Both of them would work right here. And then the next one here is a PDF. You can see the PDF thumbnail isn't as pretty, so that's why I kind of took a picture here of a screenshot of the PDF as well. So you can take screenshots or PDFs. You can also embed any of that into Book Creator. It is a wonderful tool and it will be very good for demonstration of learning. Happy making your books.